I'm excited to be a speaker at the EPF Congress for 2021 because I think now more than ever, we need the opportunities this Congress affords to bring together patients, clinicians, people working across healthcare, whether that's people who work for companies, non-governmental organizations, regulators, to be able to share perspectives about what we need to do to transform healthcare. I think from a patient perspective, it's very powerful for patients to get to meet other people working to change healthcare from the outside, from the patient perspective, whether that's across geographic borders or disease communities. There's so much we can learn from each other. And I'm excited for us to get to come together and meet each other and learn from each other. I think to help our healthcare systems learn to fully embrace digital healthcare, we need to help them. And that includes changing the regulations and the funding models to allow them to fully embrace the digitalization of healthcare. There's so much digitalization that has happened, especially in the last 2 years, where we've seen that the technology is here. We can do telehealth and virtual visits. We can have mobile apps as a way to help healthcare, but we need to have ways to test different things like different apps for different healthcare conditions. We need funding models to support providers to be able to work virtually with patients in new and different ways. And so I think that's the biggest opportunity we have to help our healthcare systems embrace digital healthcare. They've done a great job during the pandemic, but we have opportunities to change this so that moving forward, it's not just a pandemic thing, but it's the future of healthcare. I think patients have played a role in leading the digitalization of healthcare all along. Patients have been so many of the innovators, the people who have figured out how to make virtual video platforms work for us to connect with communities and connect with one another. We've been the ones to create our own apps, our own tools, and our own technology to digitalize our own healthcare because the companies didn't yet have the opportunity to do so, or the market wasn't interested in addressing those solutions. So patients have been leading the way, and I think patients will continue to lead the way and show what's possible in digitalizing healthcare. If you're looking to find other like-minded people, people who work in healthcare, people like you who might be patients and want to connect with others and learn about what we can do together to transform healthcare in the future, this is the type of event that brings people together, that allows you to connect and learn and inspire one another. And that's one of the things I'm looking forward to from this event. 'Cause I got high hopes.